Hello, in this video I will show you how to add USDT to Phantom wallet. Now it's an extremely easy process. So there are many ways I can do this. So first let's go to the Phantom wallet. Now as you can see I already have some amount of USDT. Now the ways that I mentioned are few ways. The first option, you can buy USDT directly using real money. So if you click on buy, then just simply search for USDT. Then you will be able to buy USDT directly over here. So choose USDT, enter the amount that you would like to spend. Like for example, you want to buy USDT of $50. Just simply search that and then click on next. Then it will redirect you to the payment process page where you can use your debit card or credit card to complete a transaction. And within a few minutes, you will have USDT in your account. So that's the first option. The second option is you can swap some of your current crypto into USDT. Let me show you how that works. Just simply go to this option right over here. This is the swap option. Over here, as you can see, one of my crypto is already selected. So what you do is select USDT in the second column, just like this. Then enter the amount that you would like to swap. So let's say for example 0.004, which is going to be this much amount of USDT, as you can see right over here. Now I will change it a little bit. And after that, once you have your desired amount right over here, just simply click on review order. Then it will give you the entire detail. What is the price that you're getting for? What is the fee that you have to pay? The provider, the impact, and all of the main information. And then after that, all you have to do is just simply click on swap right over here. And then it will take some time. And after that, it will automatically swap. And if you choose a very low amount of swap, it will also fail, as you can see right over here. So just simply choose a bigger amount. Like for example, 0.02. And choose USDT. Now, as you can see, this is the amount that I will be swapping now. So what you have to do is just simply wait till this review order comes. Then click on this option. Then click on swap. And now it should complete the swapping process. So wait for it to complete. And within a few minutes, the transaction should complete automatically. As you can see right over here. All done. Now, if you close this option and if you go back, as you can see, the USDT was swapped. And if you go back to your main account, you will be able to see that USDT have been transferred right over here. So that's the second option. The third option is if you have USDT in any other exchange or wallet, you can just simply withdraw into Phantom wallet as well. So for example, for doing that, you have to first go to the receive option, then go to USDT, then copy the address. Now, let's say for example, you have USDT in Binance. Open Binance, then wait for a few seconds and go to assets, go to overview. Now, right over here, you will have the option of withdraw right over here. So just simply wait for it to load completely, then click on withdraw. Now right over here, choose your USDT, then enter the address that you just copied, and the network should automatically be selected, as you can see right over here. Now enter the amount that you would like to transfer, and if it is too low of amount, it will not be transferred, as you can see right over here. This is the minimum that you have to transfer. So if you have the correct amount of crypto right over here, all you have to do is just simply click on the withdraw option, and then the crypto from your Binance account will be withdrawn into Phantom wallet. So that's the last option that you can use to get crypto in Phantom wallet. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.